Hey, what's going on, family? Sir Ashley here, and I have an amazing house tour I want to share with you today. Now, this one is for the people that don't want a huge home. I'm talking about a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, under 1,800 square foot home in an excellent location in the Charlotte area. It is minutes away from the River District, and if you're not familiar with what the River District is, it is going to be the newest hub. We're talking residential, retail. It has a garden. It's going to have live music, live bands, a playground. Everything you want in an insular community, it has it. In this floor plan I'm going to show you, the Aria in Sonoma Hills is minutes away from the River District. And you can buy this home for significantly less than you would if you bought a single family home within the River District. Let's go and let's talk about the community and this home. Now, this floor plan, the Aria floor plan, is located in Sonoma Hills. Now, if you're not familiar where Sonoma Hills is, you might be familiar with the vineyards. It is an amazing community right alongside the lake. Now, let's go inside. When you go inside, you have a foyer area, and like a lot of ranch homes, you have 2 bedrooms right up front. This first bedroom is perfect for an office or a guest bedroom, tons of natural sunlight, and it is a good sized room. Now, this community, Sonoma Hills, is about 15 minutes to uptown Charlotte, so it is conveniently located. You have shopping, grocery stores, and everything within, I would say, 7 minutes. As you go further into the home, you have a full bathroom separating these 2 bedrooms up front. You have a coat closet. Now we're about to go look at bedroom number 2. And I also mentioned that it is not far from the River District. You're about 10 minutes from the River District. I'm telling you, this is conveniently located. And if you need to get to Gaston County, Mount Holly, Belmont, everything that Gaston County has to offer, it's quick access to Gaston County as well. So you're getting 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths in this floor plan. You saw that is a laundry room. We have a coat closet right here, and it is a 2-car garage. And the price right now is starting off in the low 400s, low to mid 400s, right around 425, 430 for this floor plan. You get a fireplace, see the living room. Perfect for those that are starting a family or downsizing and do not want to have to maintain a huge home. You still get the brand new finishes, a lot of storage, as you see the pantry here. You have this tile backsplash. You have an eat-in area, and you have a covered lanai. And your yard is manageable. It's not huge, but it's also not tiny either. So you're able to take advantage of both worlds to where you do get your own yard, so you're not like in a townhouse, but it's not a lot of maintenance. Reach out to me, do not hesitate. If you're looking at new construction in the Charlotte area, you need a representative. You need somebody on your side. The new sales reps, they're gonna be amazing, they're gonna be helpful, but remember, they work for the builder. You need somebody working for you, making sure that every I is dotted, every T is crossed, and they're familiar with the new construction process. Now we're in the primary suite. We just saw the bedroom. This is the walk-in closet. Now we're about to go into the bathroom. Now, if you go with new construction and don't have an agent representing you, you're not going to get a discount. In fact, you are worse off by not having representation. We want to make sure all your inspections are in place, that we surround ourselves with an excellent team to make sure that the builder did what they're supposed to do, because while it is a new home, that doesn't mean it was built perfectly. My team and I service both North and South Carolina. If you have any questions about new construction or buying a home or selling a home in the greater Charlotte area, go ahead, reach out to me. I would love to be of assistance and see how we can help out. Talk soon.